Alright kids, since Malaysia is banning Binance, I'm going to teach you guys how to transfer your funds from Binance to other exchange platforms. The exchange platforms that we're actually using is called Huobi. You can actually use my referral link or code in the video description to get a 15% discount on any trading fee. So this is the Huobi app right over here. Okay, and I will be transferring money from Binance to here. So what I need to do right now is to sell all my assets to USDT. The reason why I don't want to send my asset over one by one for each token is that the cost of transfer is going to be very high. So what I need to do right now is to convert everything to USDT, and the transfer fee will be $1 and transfer it to Huobi. So actually I have sold pretty much everything, and I will be sending $22 to Huobi. So what you need to do right now is to click USDT, click withdrawal, and over here you need to paste a address. The address will be your Huobi USDT address. Go to Huobi, bottom right corner balance, sign in, click USDT right over here, click deposit. Make sure that you use TRC20 because the transaction fee will be cheaper. Click copy address and paste it over here. The amount that we are going to transfer is all of those, so it will be 22, and with $1 for transaction fee, so we will be getting $21. Click withdraw, confirm, and verify the transaction. After you have verified it, click confirm, and you will see this. It says that the request that we sent out is being submitted, and we have to wait for a while, probably around 1 to 2 minutes, for our funds to transfer from Binance to Huobi. So let's just check our Huobi first. It says that the amount of USDT that we have is 1,350, and since we'll be sending 20 plus worth of USDT over here, so we'll be getting 1,370. So let's just wait. Okay, right over here it says that we actually gotten our funds, and now we have 1,371. And look at the records over here. It says that we got it. We got $21 from this long address just minutes ago. So this is actually how you send your funds from Binance to Huobi. For the referral code and link, do check the video description, and make sure that you guys join our Telegram group, as I will be discussing and posting crypto news and the updates regarding the trading bot profit and the pancake swap profit. So make sure to check it out in the video description. And that is actually all from me. Thank you.